Welcome to Digital Tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain how you can create logo in simple steps without using any software. Yes, it is possible to create logo without any software. And I'm going to explain how you can create logo using Design Evo. You can use Design Evo website to create logo, maybe on your PC or your mobile phone. And you can also use the mobile app to create logo. But I love the mobile app more than the website because using the mobile app is free. It is offline. You don't need any internet connection to use it. And you can create logo based on what you like, maybe abstract, animal, art, transportation. But here I'm going to create logo for a business. Now I'm going to create logo for a shopping business, so I'm going to choose the logo template with the shopping something. Now we can edit anything here: the font, the color, the background. We can add our text. We can change the font to anything we like. There are many fonts here, over 50 fonts is ready available for you. And we can change the color. We can even change the color of this top. And we can add another text like a slogan. We can change the color to anything we like, and we can change the font. Now we can change the color of the background to anything, and we can add more graphics. As you can see, there are many graphics here that you can use for your logo. Now we can change the color of this crown to anything we like. You can delete anything. You can repart anything. In case you make any mistake, you can repart it and replace anything that you make a mistake in. And you can save your logo when you are done. You can save it as a JPEG, PNG, transparent PNG, anything you like, but here I'm going to save it as PNG. Now the logo is saved. You can continue editing it. Maybe you can change the background. Now I think I've explained how you can create logo without any software using your mobile phone or your PC, and you can now create logo easily. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified of new posts, and don't forget to like the video. And if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and the link to download the Design Evo app is in the description box, and you can also use the website. The link is also in the description box. Thanks for watching.